3 o'clock. It's time to determine who wins the driver referral bonus.
Mm-hmm.
How do you expect we're going to do it?
Well, Barry, I'd say the only way we know how to get to the bottom of something around here, that's for 2 men to draw. No, Barry! For God's sake, I meant out of the hat.
Dad, burn it, Red, you get me every time. Hey everybody, Christenson Transportation, and we're getting ready to do our driver referral bonus drawing. Something we take a lot of pride in, something we put a lot of effort in, and we trust our drivers to be our ears and eyes for new candidates that would fit with Christenson Transportation. So we pay them. When they refer a driver, they get $250. When we get 5 drivers in the hat, we draw for a grand prize. Each driver that does not win the grand prize gets another $250. So everybody gets $500, and the winning driver that we draw today will get $4,000. So,
without further ado, we will have Antonius Hunter in the hat. Chris Salto in the hat. Tim Case. Adolfo Lugo. And John Glass. Melanie.
draw the winning driver.
She's working so hard.
I know.
Who's it gonna be?
Chris Hotel.
Chris Salto. Way to go, Chris, and thanks to everybody else that got in.
Appreciate everything you do. Stay safe out there.